Once upon a time, in a distant corner of the cosmos, there existed a remarkable planet named Celestia. This world was unlike any other, for it was not an ordinary planet but a living being with a soul of its own. Celestia had a shimmering blue surface covered in swirling clouds of various hues, and its heart pulsed with the vibrant energy of the universe. On Celestia, there was a quaint little village known as Starhaven. The villagers were peculiar, for they possessed the unique ability to communicate with the stars that adorned their night sky. Each villager had a starstone, a magical gem bestowed upon them at birth, which allowed them to connect with the celestial beings. Among the villagers, there was a young girl named Lyra. She was known for her striking silver hair and her eyes that sparkled like the brightest stars. Lyra was particularly gifted in star speak, and her starstone shone with a brilliance that outshone all others. She had a special bond with the constellation Draco, the dragon, which watched over Celestia with its fierce, protective gaze. One fateful night, as Lyra lay beneath the inky sky, Draco spoke to her in a voice that resonated within her heart. "Lyra," it said, "a great darkness approaches our beloved Celestia. You are the chosen one, the Starbearer, destined to embark on a quest to save our world." Lyra was both terrified and determined. She knew that she could not ignore the call of the stars. With a heavy heart, she left Starhaven in search of answers. Her journey took her across vast celestial landscapes, where she encountered beings made of stardust and galaxies that sang songs of creation. As Lyra traveled deeper into the cosmos, she learned of the impending threat. A malevolent force known as the Voidseeker was consuming entire galaxies, leaving behind nothing but darkness and despair. Celestia was next on its path, and it would stop at nothing to extinguish the living soul of the planet. Guided by Draco and fueled by her love for Celestia, Lyra's courage grew. Along her journey, she gathered a diverse group of companions, each with their own unique talents. There was Orion, a skilled archer from a distant asteroid belt, and Vega, a brilliant astronomer who could navigate the cosmic currents. Together, they formed the Cosmic Fellowship, determined to confront the Voidseeker and protect their world. Their quest led them to the enigmatic Oracle of Nebulae, a celestial being of immense wisdom. The Oracle revealed that the only way to defeat the Voidseeker was to collect the tears of the universe, scattered across the cosmos. These tears held the power to push back the darkness and restore balance to the universe. The Fellowship's first destination was the Nebula of Dreams, a place where the boundaries between reality and imagination blurred. Here, they encountered the Dreamweavers, ethereal beings who wove the fabric of dreams. In exchange for their assistance, Lyra and her companions helped the Dreamweavers manifest their wildest dreams. Next, they journeyed to the Quasar of Courage, a radiant storm of cosmic energy. It was said that within the quasar lay the essence of bravery itself. Lyra and her companions faced trials of fear and doubt, emerging stronger and more determined than ever. Their path led them to the Comet of Compassion, a celestial wanderer that carried the empathy of the universe within its icy heart. Lyra and her companions learned to connect with the hearts and minds of others, fostering empathy and understanding. With each tear of the universe they collected, the Cosmic Fellowship grew in power and unity. Yet, the Voidseeker was always one step behind, its shadowy tendrils inching closer to Celestia. The final tear of the universe was rumored to be hidden within the heart of a dying star, deep in the galactic center. It was a perilous journey, filled with cosmic storms and gravity wells that threatened to tear their ship apart. But Lyra and her companions were undeterred, fueled by their love for Celestia. As they approached the dying star, they were confronted by the Voidseeker itself, a swirling vortex of darkness that hungered for their destruction. The battle that ensued was fierce, with the very fate of the universe hanging in the balance. In their darkest hour, Lyra and her companions drew upon the power of the tears of the universe, and their starstones blazed with radiant light. Together, they channeled the energy of the cosmos, forming a brilliant, star-filled shield that pushed back the Voidseeker. With a triumphant roar, they plunged into the dying star, retrieving the final tear of the universe. As they escaped the collapsing star, the Voidseeker was consumed by the very darkness it had sought to unleash. Returning to Celestia, Lyra and her companions used the tears of the universe to heal the wounds inflicted by the Voidseeker. The planet's surface shimmered with renewed vitality, and its soul sang with gratitude. The people of Starhaven celebrated their heroes, and Lyra's starstone shone brighter than ever. The Cosmic Fellowship had not only saved Celestia but had also forged a bond between the stars and their world that would endure for eternity. And so, the tale of Lyra, the Starbearer, became a legend in the cosmos, a reminder that even in the face of darkness, the light of courage, compassion, and unity could prevail. Celestia continued to thrive, a living testament to the power of love and the enduring connection between the universe and those who called it home.